Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you the best Samsung connection settings for faster internet on this device. For this, go to settings and tap on the option connections. Okay, now tap on the option Bluetooth. Here you can see the paired devices you can see here. So first of all, we need to disable the unused Bluetooth devices. Okay, and let me go back. Now we need to enable the Wi-Fi calling. If needed, just reset your network settings. For the simply go to settings, tap on the option general management, tap on a reset. Here you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Tap on this one. Now tap on reset settings, confirm this one. You can see network settings reset. These settings can improve the internet stability and reduce the connection problems on this device. So this is the best connection settings for faster internet on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.